Hi, welcome to a short video on normaling and grouping in the XPatch4. The project I've loaded is the PyroSum example, which I recently uploaded. I've played a bit fast and loose with the labels for the door inputs, so I get different colors for the different groups. And I've added a few extra bits. Okay, so all the sum inputs, all the door inputs, some of which are summing inputs, are normaled. That means that if you don't have anything connected, normally if it's normaled, then the connection is straight through. And when you plug something, when you connect in a unit, it inserts it into the connection. Let's see what this means for the paths. Let's set a path. So here's one I've made earlier, but let's do it again from scratch. So when you go new, you can delete all, which will take rid of everything, or you can restore the normals. And now you can see normaling. Each of the outputs is normal through to each of the inputs. Let's see what grouping is. So these stars indicate they've been grouped. So if I was to go in here and I clear the isolation and I group those sums, and then I'll group these doors, inputs, group them. It collapses it all down to one line, which is space saving on your screen. But let's imagine you have some devices in these inserts. Well, you really don't want to. You want still to see these devices. So right-clicking on all the sums will enable all the sums. And let's put a couple of devices from the palette. Here's some I made earlier, make them stereo. Here's this one. We'll put it in the second one just to prove it works. And we'll put this one in the last one. There we go. So right-click on any of these. Let's right-click on this one. We could isolate this one and then group, but then we only see this one. But this works. You can do this as many times as you like. But wouldn't it be nicer to be able to have one key to isolate anything which had a device inserted? And just one point, it only checks this second column. So let's go again, and we'll go group isolate. And now automatically it picks those up. And because they're stereo, it's picked up as stereo. And notice the first one is still displayed. Again, the first one is this group, so you can easily look at this group. Okay, that's it. That's all I was going to say.